Sexual dysfunction is one of the largest hidden public health crises in existence today, and Blueheart is determined to solve it. A few years ago, I was going through a difficult breakup and had some issues around sex that took a major toll on my mental health. I felt isolated and alone, and I didn't know where to turn. I soon found out that there were millions of other people just like me feeling exactly how I did. In fact, 17.2 million people in the UK alone suffer from sexual dysfunction. This can destroy confidence and it can destroy loving relationships. But there is a solution: therapy. Sex therapy has a customer satisfaction rate of over 93%. But why don't people do therapy? Well, there are three key reasons. 1, they're embarrassed. 2, it's expensive. And 3, there are few well-trained practitioners. This is what we're solving with Blueheart. Blueheart is a sexual therapy app that identifies your problem, designs a personalized treatment plan, and walks you step by step through therapy, all without any human involvement. It's been shown in countless research studies that digital therapy is as effective, if not more effective than face-to-face therapy, at treating anxiety, schizophrenia, and depression. The digitization of therapy is the future, and sex is the perfect use case because it's so private by nature. But how big a problem is sexual dysfunction? Well, in a recent Nat South survey, 51% of women and 47% of men said they had a sex-related issue that lasted longer than 3 months in the last year alone. We know the problem is huge. What we predict is the number of people willing to pay to treat sex-related issues, if it were private, affordable, and accessible, is equally large. If you don't believe me, all we need to do is take a look at the size of the Viagra market to know that that's the case. Nevertheless, we have early traction to support our hypothesis. Since soft launching in December, we've had over 750 downloads. And since putting up our paywall in early January, 15 to 20% of our users convert to our paid monthly subscription. We're currently on track to generate over £5,000 in our first month of operations, and that's with our minimal viable product. The market is telling us there is demand, and people are willing to pay. They already are. We have an incredibly well-balanced team to bring the mission to life. I myself am a former founder with a background in technology and investments. Our CTO, Robbie Coomber, is a computer science graduate from Cambridge who's led development teams at Meadowpad, a Series B medtech startup, as well as at one of the UK's largest e-commerce platforms. Lastly, we have Dr. Catherine Hertlein, a world-renowned sex therapist and the editor-in-chief of the Journal of Couples and Relationship Therapy. If you type in books on sex therapy into Google, hers is literally the first that will come up. Blueheart is the product I wish existed when I didn't know where to turn. Our mission is to bring sexual therapy to the millions of people and families that need it. And no matter what that solution looks like, we are the team that will be building it. So, if you agree that sexual dysfunction is a massively underserved issue and that the digitization of therapy is the future, get in touch. We're Blueheart, and we're inventing digital sex therapy. Thank you.